Alright guys, so the problem with this was that this one here, the old one, is sharp. Has a nice sharp. And this one here has this very thick flat bit there, and because of that, that will never be able to latch on there. So that is a big issue that we're having here. Because this thing is not able to go in and then latch on, sadly, but this used to be able to. So now the question is, do I stick in the old one and keep the just attached? I don't know if that would even work with this piece or not. Or do I try to find a way to get this, even though both the new one and the old one still seem to have a similar issue where they just can't, this thing is not able to go in deep enough to latch on. So we'll see what to do with that. It is quite the conundrum.
Likey